Hey, thank you very much. We are here at Funzi Island with my friend Nico and my friend Rafique at Rafique's farm, and we're trying to do what is called an intensive garden. So we do intensive designs, we do semi-intensive designs, we also do extensive designs, we do different types of designs. So this one is an intensive design. It's going to be intensive, biodiversified, and dense for annual crops, yeah, which are consumed within the hotel and by the guests. So we have all these beds that we are going to do, but we're going to start with this one. So here I have my friend Masood and
Christopher.
And also Leonard here. So Masood is going to explain briefly the layers, and then
Christopher
is going to explain the concepts and what we have done, the tests and what is going on. Please explain the layers. Tumanza na layer gani? Nasaidia na nini?
Nasaidia kumaji kupotea.
Ndio. Alafu tukaweka nini?
Kupotea ile matawi
ile imekauka. Jambo inaitwa dry matter pen.
Alafu tukaweka nyasi juu yake.
Alafu
tukaweka hiyo mchanga. Topsoil.
Tukaweka mbolea kwanza. Mbolea manyua, si ndio? Alafu mwisho?
Alafu tukaweka mchanga.
Mchanga, ile topsoil. Alafu baadaye tukaweka nini? Ash. Alafu mwisho?
Tukaweka chocolate.
Thank you so much. So explain how these things work now.
Okay, the polythene prevent water loss from underground root stones, and the dry matter will actually decompose to give the soil organic matter. Then after the dry matter, we actually get the manure fresh from the compost, which will form food for the organic microorganisms in the soil. Then after the manure, we get the topsoil. The topsoil now is the base we are going to put the seeds, which will encourage them to grow. Then after the soil, we put the ash. The ash will form alkaline base, an alkaline pH, which will encourage the growth of crops of the topsoil. But also, we have added charcoal, which acts as an alternative for mulching. Charcoal dust here, which acts as an alternative for mulching. So the charcoal will prevent water loss from going to evaporating to the atmosphere. It forms a barrier which and it actually absorbs and reflects heat so much, so no heat is taken to the soil, which will lead to too much loss of water. So we look at our pH right now. It was at 8, which is an alkaline, which favors the growth of the crops. Previously it was around 5, which was an acidic, which does not favor the growth of too much crops. So we are hoping for good crop production.
How do you determine the pH and the moisture?
You use this machine. You just adjust it. There are 2 buttons. One is for moist and another is for pH. So if you want to measure the moisture content, you just turn it to the left, and the pH content you turn it to the right. Then you get the results.
Yes, thank you so much, Masood. Thank you so much, Christopher. Thank you, Leonard. So we are going to monitor this project and see how the plants are growing over time. So have a good time. Please work on it. Make sure the moisture is maintained. Yeah, you can use the ice, you can use a stick, and you can use anything. Thank you so much, Nico. Thank you so much, everyone.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Bye.